To purchase XRP on Kraken, start by opening the platform and depositing funds into your account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the home screen and click on the Buy option. If XRP is not immediately visible, simply search for it and select it. Next, choose your order type for a straightforward purchase. Select Buy Now and determine how much XRP you want to acquire. You can then decide which payment method to use, such as your Euro balance, adding a card, or using Apple Pay. After selecting your payment method, click Next and confirm the transaction. The purchase will be processed, and you can verify that the XRP has been added to your portfolio. The newly acquired XRP will be visible in your portfolio, confirming the successful completion of the transaction.